Hi guys, so today we are going to be making carrot oil. So I'll be making it easy and simple. There are different ways. You can either use this method or you use the cold method. So we're going to start by grating the carrots. After washing it, you're going to grate it. So you can either grate it or you can use blender. So I prefer to grate it because there was no light, and again grating is what everybody can do. So we're going to grate the carrots till we grate everything, and then after that we're going to move to the next step. So let us grate the carrot. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, in this video we're going to be telling you the importance of this carrot oil. So after grating the carrot, this is what came out. So yeah, it is small. I didn't do much, just small. So it depends on the quantity you want. You can do either small or big. So you get a pan, you put it on fire, and then you can add oil to the pan. It can either be coconut oil, olive oil, yeah, coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, almond oil, avocado oil, any oil you want to use at all. But me, I used olive oil because I couldn't get coconut oil. I'd have preferred coconut oil though, but I couldn't get it, so I had to use what I have, which is olive oil. So you're just going to keep stirring, leave it on fire, then you keep stirring. Make sure you add enough oil so that it doesn't burn or dry easily. So you're just going to keep stirring, and I'm going to stir this for like 40 minutes. So it's going to be on fire for like 40 minutes or more, and I'm just going to keep stirring. Make sure it is on low heat. Make sure it is on low heat. Don't forget, it has to be on low heat. So let us move to the importance of this carrot oil. Now, if you check most of your brightening cream, I don't mean bleaching cream because I'm not sure there's anything like bleaching cream, any of your brightening cream or lightening cream, you will see that they added carrot oil. So carrot oil is added to most of the things we apply to our hair and our body. And yeah, you can also cook with your carrot oil. So just make sure when you're making it, make sure it is neat. Make sure you don't infect it anyway. So you can use this carrot oil on your skin and in your hair. You can also use them for cooking, like I just said. So now, carrot oil helps to lighten up dark spots, and it usually puts in all our brightening cream. I've said that also. So yeah, if you have dark spots, carrot oil can help you lighten those dark spots up. So your armpits, most of us, our armpits are dark. So you can apply this carrot oil there, or most of us, our, should I say, laps or thigh, we have dark spots there. You can actually keep applying this carrot oil there, and it will help lighten it up, removing that dark distance from it. So carrot oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties, and its antifungal and antibacterial properties might help with skin infection. So most of us that have infections like eczema, or most times we itch a lot, carrot oil can actually help with those things. Some skin conditions like eczema often have extra staphylococcus bacteria, and carrot oil might help relieve eczema by fighting it. So you can see carrot oil is very useful and very helpful. So you can actually apply it to that eczema, and it will work for it. As you can see, the oil is already changing color, and it is that orange color we're actually looking for. And as you can see, it is already changing to orange. So the oil has to change color, maybe not deep orange, but it has to change color to orange color. So now let's continue with our importance. Some people also add carrot seed oil to shampoo and conditioner to help nourish their scalp. So yeah, you can actually add this carrot oil to your cream, your air conditioners, and all of that. And you can also use the carrot oil like that. when we buy cream, the carrot oil is added to our cream. It is one of the ingredients they use in making the cream, but they won't give you like that. So now I'm showing you how to do it yourself, how to prepare your own carrot oil at home by yourself. So if you want a glowing skin, you can actually try carrot oil. You can also mix avocado oil with carrot oil in equal to get a brightening skin. It will work for a faster result for brightening skin. So now, as you can see, we're done with the whole putting on fire stuff. So I just turned off the fire and I'm going to allow it to cool down. So I'm going to come back the next day to now sieve it out to remove the juice from the stem. So this is the next day and this is what we are left with. So now we're just going to remove the juice from the carrots, from the shaft. So you can use a sieve or you can use a wig cap. I'm using a wig cap to actually remove the oil from it. So you can also add a few drops of this carrot oil to your face cream to get a smooth, young and glowing complexion. So you can see there's so many things carrot oil can do for you. You can also make your own research to be sure I'm correct, or to know more things you can use this carrot oil for. Maybe next time we'll be talking about the importance of carrot oil to the hair, because I made it because I want to apply it to my hair and maybe my armpits though. So that was why I made this. So now I'm just going to sift the juice from the shaft and then I'm going to apply it into these containers, because I would want to be carrying it up and down just in case. So I need a small container that I can easily carry around. So as you can see, this is the juice coming out already, and as you can see, it is orange. So yeah, this is the carrot oil we are actually looking for. So this is a DIY video. Do it yourself. Learn how to get your own carrot oil yourself. If I have my way, or if I have the time, I can actually be doing this every day or every week, and I can actually sell it and make money from it. So yes, you can actually make money from this. So many people are in search of carrot oil, but they don't have that time to be doing it themselves. So you can actually do it for them and sell and make your cool money. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, please help us share this video so your friends outside and other people can see how to do their carrot oil themselves and can learn most or some of the importance of using carrot oil. Thank you for staying with us on today's video. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Bye.